So you have your 2020 Ram 2500 BigHorn diesel engine. You're going to take this top star screwdriver head out of here once you put the tailgate down, and then you're going to take out the bottom one. And you'll do that like so with this. And then on the inside of here is two grooves that go, one on here and one right there. So, and they're actually right here. So you're going to pull them out of there. So the harness is still here. You don't have to pull that clip out of there to change this bulb. All right, so what I'm going to do is take this old bulb out of here. All right, it just pops right out. There's the old bulb. Now, when you're putting a new one in, you don't want to use your hand, so I'm going to just go ahead and use a rag when I put this in here. All right. So this is the long life Sylvania bulb. Give me a second, I'm going to leave this propped up, and then I'll get right back to it. Now that I got that out of there, this is how I touch the bulb. You don't touch the bulb with your bare hands because you can have grease on your hands, and when you turn the vehicle on and you hit the brake, you could burn out the bulb that fast. So it's going to go right back in this slot. You'll hear it snap into place. Here, let me put this in there, and then I'm going to get back to the video.